Hi everyone, welcome back to Makayla's Playground. Today we're going to open up this LOL Surprise Outrageous Mystery Box. And I'm back with my mommy today.
Hi everyone, welcome back.
So let's get started on opening this. So please hand me my scissors. And guys, do not, when you give scissors, do not point it like this. It will cut your face like and you hold it like this, but be careful, kids, with scissors.
So the LOL Mystery Box is a subscription that I got through Amazon.
I've never seen this
Yeah,
before.
this is our first one, and it apparently comes every 3 months, from what I understand.
Yeah,
so,
it's a mystery.
Yeah, it's a mystery. So you have different sizes to choose from because it comes with, I think, clothes too. So
Here we go.
Makayla is a small 6'7", so.
Yeah.
Okay, there, it opens up from right here in the front. So let's open it. I don't even know what I'm showing. Oh, there's just, it's all a bunch of packages. There you go.
Let's see. And if you can see, it says, let's be friends on the back.
Let's see.
And it says on here, it says LOL Surprise on the side.
Yeah.
And on the back too.
Let's see.
Whoa!
That's cool.
And in the front here,
Do you know
it
what
says
that says?
glow on.
Good job, it does.
That's amazing! I'm
Okay.
gonna open this one.
So let's
This is
see.
from,
Hold on.
it's made from China.
2, 3, 4. Oh wait, hold on, let's count. Open that one first. So there's 1.
So this is made in China. Made in China, I mean. Sorry guys.
Okay, so there's 6 separate surprises in here.
I
like the box,
I'm 6
actually.
years old.
Yeah. The
Cannot
box is a really good quality too, so this will be nice to keep for some of your LOL accessories.
Yeah, the bottle.
That's so
It says
cute.
Pool party. Dun, dun. That's a
Pool party. This is really cute. A little water cup. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is super cute.
I can use that.
Oh, she likes the bubble wrap more. So let's see. I don't know if you could see this. Very cute. Okay, so that's the first surprise. Okay, which
Yeah.
one do you want to open up next?
I love that.
After you're done bubble popping. So that's number 1. This is number 2. What's in it? So make
Let me feel it first. It feels very light. It feels like a little pillow. Feel it. It feels like
It does.
It feels like a little pillow, and it feels very lightly. Let's see what it is.
Oh, cute.
Let's see it. Oh, it's a little LOL shirt.
Oh, that's really cute. Where's the oh, how cute. It's supposed to be a, I was gonna say where's the rest of the shirt, but it's supposed to be
It
like
says-
that. Spring fling. So obviously, this is the spring box. I'm assuming it comes in different seasons. So.
Okay, let's do this one. So, I think this feels like a shirt, another
Number
shirt.
3.
I think this feels like another shirt. Let's see. Oh, it is another shirt.
Very cute.
Let's see this long. Oh, it is long.
Wait, is it a shirt? Oh, it's a little pillowcase. That's so cute.
Let me see what it says on the front. It says, I don't know what that is.
Electric Dreams.
Oh, electric dream. This
That's
is
very
so cute.
It's a pillowcase.
It's a pillowcase.
Well, we're looking to redo her room, Makayla's room, so maybe we'll do
Oh,
LOL.
I know exactly what this is.
Uh-oh, what is it exactly?
I think it's a book.
Oh, okay.
I
let's
think
open
it's
it
a
up.
book.
So, we're on surprise number 4.
Is it?
What's that?
See. Can't get it out. Okay. Oh, what is this?
It's a little poster. Ooh. Oh, very cute.
It is a poster.
So, what does it say?
It says,
Oh, it's the front of the box. It says outrageous.
aw.
So it's just a poster of the front of the box. Hold on, we'll show them. You know, we have a, I don't know if you can see above us, but in her last LOL video, you
Oh
can
my
see.
gosh, I think this is super light. This is way too
collecting
light.
these posters. So.
And this is way too light. Way too light.
Wait, maybe there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's 7 surprises. I miscounted. So we're on number 5.
What's this? Oh, it's stickers.
Very cute.
Stickers. Okay.
Yeah.
See?
Wait, hold on. Open the smaller one first, and then the big one last. Wow, these are actually pretty easy to open. You don't even need the scissors.
Ooh.
Oh, how cute. It's a little pin.
For my shirt.
Yeah, hold on. Let's open it up real fast.
Oh, this is so heavy.
Hold on, let's show them the little. So this one says Electric Dreams 2.
Oh, this feels very heavy.
wonder
Feel
what
it.
is. Let's see.
It feels very
It does feel heavy. It feels heavier than all the rest of them.
Let's see, but I don't know what this actually is.
That's why it's a mystery box.
Yeah, we have to feel it first. Oops. Now let's try. Oh,
That is so
it's
cute.
a little umbrella.
Oh, I love it. Hold on. Okay, but listen,
Let's
guys,
try
it's bad luck to open up an umbrella indoors, but for the purposes of this video, we will open it up, okay? That is adorable. Whoa, it's a big one too.
Subscribe.
Oh, this is adorable. This is a very nice umbrella too. Very nice. Okay, and it comes with the little.
I want to try
Look at your headband. Okay, so this is the fitting room right here. Back here is the fitting room.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Ta-da! That is very cute. Okay, can you turn around and show them the back? Move your hair. Move your hair. Very cute. I love it. I love it. So what do you think? Are you excited with the box?
Yeah.
I just remembered, I was thinking to myself as she opened up all the spring stuff that it was a little odd that we're getting spring stuff now when it's almost summer, but given everything that happened, this was actually supposed to go out in April, and we didn't get this until, and this is no fault of anybody, we didn't get this until the 3rd week of May, so we barely got this box, and so it's almost the end of May and we're just opening it up. So this made sense if we got this in April, but so apparently it's a beanbag race. Careful.
I'm trying to go on the other.
I know you can't, you're stuck. Nope, nope, nope.
That's the trick.
Hold on. She's in the pillowcase, guys. Okay, now we're working. So let's see. So what do you think about this, the water cup?
This is
Thumbs
fabulous.
up or thumbs down? Okay. What about the little shirt? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I give it a thumbs up too. How about the pillowcase?
Sit.
Thumbs up?
Yep.
This is adorable. Okay. How about the poster? Thumbs up or thumbs down? We love posters, right? Let's
Yeah.
open it up one more time.
Thumbs up.
So, there you go. The pin.
The pin.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. The stickers. Wait, are these stickers or tattoos?
I think they're tattoos. Let's see.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Okay.
Let's see if they're. Oh, they
And,
are tattoos.
and the umbrella. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Yeah,
Everything.
it's very cute. Thumbs up.
Oh, let's do the tattoos. Can I see in the camera?
Ooh, so fancy.
Oh, that's a really good
That's a
job,
good
my
one.
kid mommy.
Oh, I'm a professional tattoo
I want to
artist.
do the other side.
Oh, okay.
So you want to get a tattoo on your face?
Yeah. Oh, this is a tattoo parlor.
Now I'm gonna get it on your cheek. So you have to stay very still for me when I pull it off. You know
Okay.
why is that? Because if you move, I'll pinch it out.
Ow.
Oh, oh no, it's raining!
Ah!
Oh no,
she's doing this because she thinks I could do all this in editing.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another LOL surprise unboxing Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell by ringing. Remember to like, subscribe, click bell, and if you want to see any more, just click here to see any more educational videos. Like we can make we can make art crafts, or we can do a video of a realistic doll with each other, or we could do tattoo videos or a party video. Woo! And thank you for watching. Bye, and remember to stay healthy too, and remember to get an umbrella.